Growl, growl, growl all day long. C is for cat with whiskers fine. Meow, meow, meow in a line. D is for dog who loves to play. Woof, woof, woof all through the day. E is for elephant, big and grand. Trumpet, trumpet across the land. F is for fox with a sneaky yap. Yap, 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 then take a nap. G is for giraffe, munching high. Munch, 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 under the sky. H is for hippo, splashing deep. Splash, splash, scratch, jump in a heap. I is for iguana, scratching slow. Scratch, 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 where does it go? J is for jaguar, fierce and neat. Roar, roar, roar with nimble feet. K is for kangaroo, hopping fast. Hop, 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 then stop at last. L is for lion, mighty and proud. Roar, 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 both soft and loud. M is for monkey, swinging free. Ooh, ah, climbing a tree. N is for numbat, slipping sly. Slip, 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 watch it glide by. O is for owl, awake at night. Who takes flight? P is for panda, munching bamboo. Munch, munch, munch in the morning dew. Q is for quill, so tiny and bright. Beep, 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 poking with might. R is for rabbit, hopping around. Hop, 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 never touching the ground. S is for snake, sliding along. Hiss, 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 singing its song. T is for tiger, stripes so neat. Growl, growl, growl with powerful feet. U is for urch, poking with care. Poke, 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 everywhere. V is for vulture, screeching loud. Screech, screech, above the crowd. W is for whale, swimming so deep. Woo, 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 through oceans we leap. X is for Zur, scratching with flair. Scratch, 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 here and there. I is for moo, a cow so sweet. Moo, moo, moo in the sunny heat. Z is for zebra, scracks in line. Neigh, neigh, neigh in the sunshine. A to